spirits really real? Just because you can't see them doesn't mean they're not there. And angels come and always give you guidance. They always give you signs. You only should understand the signs.
The place was so dangerous that I used to be scared. I used to feel if Amit goes there, he'll just be shot someday. So there were these 3 people who were harassing him. Within 2 to 3 months, there's an ED raid that happens on one person. That person is still behind the bars.
I like the sadistic pleasure. When people get punished for doing wrong to other people, I enjoy that for sure. That's the secret is, of course, the spirit world and the universe that actually works with us all the time.
His monies are stuck since 4 months. And the client is telling him on phone कि मैं कराता हूँ, and the monies hit the bank account.
Absolutely. Hello everybody and welcome back to Ash World. I'm Dr. Ashish and we are yet with another episode where I'm assuring you learn a lot about magic, miracles and possibilities. We are going to talk a lot about the spirit world because my guest brought up this topic right now. Ki Ashish, can we talk about energies? Can we talk about, the spirit world? I said, why not? I said, that's my regular thing to do, but I've not spoken about it on a podcast. So here we are. So my guest is very, very special. She has flown all the way from Ahmedabad just to do the podcast and she'll be flying back. That is such a sweet thing for you to do.
Thank
and
you.
You know what? I'm quickly just gonna take you to my guest. So let me introduce Pooja Badlani. She has come from Ahmedabad and let her speak for herself because she speaks a lot and I love listening to her. So Pooja, welcome on the podcast and I'm so happy you are here.
Thank you so much, Ashish. I am happier to be here and you know that. और Ahmedabad honestly बहुत छोटी चीज़ है. I would actually come down from America also just to be for this podcast. So Ahmedabad is not too far.
No. So you know what? I mean, I have been seeing your amazing journey. I think you started our journey together 1.5 years back.
Yes.
And from that time, she just doesn't stop. She just doesn't stop messaging me the amazing magic and creation that she had. So I'm like, why not have you on the podcast? Because I love inspiring people. And what you are experiencing, trust me, everybody can experience. But they just don't know how. So I thought, why not share with people what you've been doing? So let's start with it. Let's start talking about your work. What is it that you do?
So I am an image consultant and a soft skills trainer. So I basically help people with their image makeovers where they live a life that is more true to their personality. So they live their authentic style, they walk, talk, live to their actual personality and not an acquired personality. So I help individuals with that. Apart from that, I work with organizations, I train them, I conduct trainings for internal communications and external communications. Wow. And of course, I am also associated with the government of Gujarat for POSH, that's Prevention of Sexual Harassment. That's an initiative that the government of Gujarat and I have taken together to spread the awareness. So we've done a lot of talk shows in the public forums, and we've gone all out for creating awareness. So I also help organizations build their POSH policies, build their supporting policies, and start off with these policies, which is also a mandate according to the government.
I think bringing awareness is the most important thing. Like
Yes.
even through this small little podcast, we are trying to bring awareness of different things because till people don't have the awareness, they'll not know what is available, what is not available for their life. And you're doing such a fabulous job. So
Thank you.
good. All right, so let's talk about our journey.
Yes. So again, I have to tell everybody that Ashish is a part of this journey as well. So when I came here, I was just starting off with this career of mine.
Okay.
And I have to start with the magical story
Okay.
that it started. So I had my first session with the government of Gujarat, with the Director General of Police in Ahmedabad,
Okay.
which was announced, right? And it was a public forum. So we had a lot of media and everyone that was coming in. Now, I was abroad, and because of some COVID situation that happened over there, I got stuck over there. And they said that I cannot travel.
Okay.
So I got all hyper because obviously I didn't want to miss this thing that is
Opportunity,
happening, this
correct.
opportunity that was happening. And I messaged Ashish, like this lamba chauda message I sent him that, you talk about magic and what is this? This is the biggest opportunity of my life. I got to be there. And you know me, right? Like I got all, so I was all hyper about it. And Ashish calls me up and he just told me, you know what? You're going to attend this. Just relax and look for the message that the universe will give you. And the universe will give you a message. Trust me, you will do this. So I remember this calming statement of yours. Next morning, there's this huge white bird, okay, that comes and sits on the sill of my hotel. And trust me, I was on the 10th floor. The sill was very thin. It was impossible for such a big bird to sit on that, firstly.
Okay.
So the bird sits there and he looks into our eyes. Me and my husband, we both were there. It looks into our eyes for a good few seconds and it flies off.
Okay.
And I told Amit, you know what? Now we can fly. And trust me, we will go by. And we flew back and I did that session and my journey with the government started from there. So I want to tell everybody one thing. Magic sounds like madness until you experience it. And that's, yes.
So what else? What else have you been doing there?
So of course it was that, and a lot of my friends were connected with you. So through all of that, when I came here, I have to tell you that when you spoke about believe in magic, I really need to tell everyone that I did not believe in it earlier. You were the one who made me believe in it because I come from a doctor's family, a very, very logical family, and
I'm a doctor myself.
See, I look like one today, right?
You're wearing the white coat, I'm wearing the black. So we're actually like a duel right now, the angel and the devil.
No, you're the angel for all of us. So I did not believe in it. And that's what I want to say. Maybe that's the reason I did not experience it. So today I would like to talk about so many more things that I have experienced.
Super.
And those stories, I really wanted to go out there so that people start believing in magic. Because as children, we always believe in magic. And then when life happens, I think we just get more logical and want reasons for everything. And as you say, right, don't look for reasons. Just, there are no coincidences. So of course, manifestations have become a part of life now. Honestly,
Super.
and that is such a beautiful part of life. So let me give you one more example, one more story, is that for some reason, after I did your foundation course,
When was that? When did you do the
this was
foundation?
in 22. End
So
of
almost
22.
2 years
Yes,
back.
1.5 years back.
1.5 years back.
And
Okay.
that time, I just from nowhere, I was living in a beautiful house. Trust me, it was very nice and very lavish. But I just got this thinking, I want to go stay in a penthouse.
Okay.
And from nowhere, like I just want to stay in a penthouse. Achanak se, and I've written that in your diary. I will show it to you with the dates. Okay, in all your 8 classes, I've written it out of nowhere. It just came to me. I started writing it, and I used to write it every day. Achanak se, my husband says, you know what? Let's sell this house. I said, what? He's like, let's sell this house and let's buy a penthouse there where we had seen or the area where we like.
Wow.
I said, is this really happening? Then we said, now selling is a problem. Selling me, Ashish, I did your 8-8. Okay, in that I wrote, on 8-8 evening, I get this client and he buys the house.
Wow.
And I shift into a penthouse. And the best thing is I buy a penthouse that'll be ready in the next 3 years. And I also shift into a rented penthouse. So,
So you're in a
there's
penthouse.
everywhere.
Amazing. So for those who don't know, 8-8 is a portal a class. It's an online class that I generally do every year. It's on 8th of August because that's the time when the highest energies get aligned. You know, the Sirius star and all of that. I'll explain later. And when people attend online, so you did it online and
Yes.
people are there from all over the world. So what I do is I tap into the energies and I channel the powerful energies and I make people write down their wishes. And I think that was one of your wish, that your house should get sold. And I've had so many people across who've told me I've attended all your portal classes and the way things get manifested out. Because what happens is basically we are aligning the energies. And once your energy is aligned, your thoughts become more powerful. What you say becomes more faster and quicker. It gets manifested from the universe. And you are, of course, a living proof of it, and like so many others. So what else have you been
So I
manifesting?
also want to mention here that building, the house which I sold, that building has 80% of unsold houses. And still my house gets sold at a price more premium than what I was expecting. So
Because you asked for it.
how does it get better than that? Is the only thing even I keep asking.
See,
So-
this is what I love, the fact that, when you come to these classes like foundation and, you learn tools so that you can create your own reality.
Correct.
Like, 80% houses are not selling. Why? Because probably they're thinking it's not going to happen. It's very difficult to get buyers at our rate. But you didn't think like that. you were constantly probably using the tools and you created at the rate that you sold, and that is how you are constantly creating your own reality. And that's why I'm obsessed with the foundation which teaches how you can create your own reality, and you
Yes.
are constantly at it. Amazing stories.
So the foundation also got a lot more. So we also experienced the spirit class.
Yeah.
And that is my favorite because it's just a beautiful dimension. It's not scary or creepy
It's
like what
not.
people think it to be, right? It's just so beautiful. And after that, there have been so many experiences which I would love to talk about if you are okay
But you
with
know,
it.
it's so funny. Like, this is the first time, yeah, on a podcast we are talking actually openly about the spirit world. And I just came back from Belgium. I was there for 15 days. I had gone to Italy and then I was in Belgium also. And 5 years back, also, when I went there, that place opens up my spiritual dimension. You know, they start connecting with me more faster and all. And when I come back here, I get into my other routine work and all of that. But of course, I mean, not as much. And this time when I went there, it was purely for another thing. And, you know, I've come back here now to Mumbai.
Wow.
And, you know, in the month of July, we're going to have a spirit class. We haven't done a spirit class for such a long time. And it's like that. And today you're here and you are insisting to talk about this. I always say they want us to talk. You know, they are the
Yes.
ones who want to talk about the spirit world, whether it's angels, and people have so much of misconception about it. They have fears about it. And but
Yes.
that's all from the movies. There's nothing to fear about the spirit world because they're all around us.
Correct.
You know, like I can see spirits around you right now. They are with me right now. They are around everybody right now. And they are the spirit guides. You know, they are
Yes.
they are the ones who are guiding us. So I work with the spirit guides very closely. They keep guiding me and they help me with my sessions and tell what has to be done, and clients benefit out of it. So yeah, let's talk more about them because I know they want to talk about this
Yes.
today. Yeah.
So, on the last week that I was in this house of
Yeah.
mine, the house has been very, very lucky for us. So, we've really grown in that house, even though not too many people were living there. But the last week, all of a sudden, there's a knock that we hear, and all three of us hear it. So, my son, my husband, and I,
Huh.
we all hear this knock at the door. And we thought कि ये चोर घुसाया है हमारे घर के अंदर.
Okay.
Obviously, because even our house help was on छुट्टी.
Huh.
So my husband goes with a belt. Not the best thing to do, not the most intelligent thing to do. But he takes
With
a
a
belt.
belt. Okay.
That's the best thing he could find in that room. And he goes out with that belt looking for the person. And he sees that the door is locked from inside. And there is absolutely nobody in that house.
Huh.
So that was one of the experiences which I had, which next day I Googled and I got to know that this is also written in the Bibles that like the angels actually come down and knock at your door to tell you that the new doors or new
Opening
paths
up.
are opening up for
Correct.
you. So I would love to have any other explanation that experience would
No, of
have.
course. You know what? See, basically, the angels are what? They're beings of light, you know, they're messengers of the divine, and they're the closest to us because, you know, the frequency is matching up to our energy. Now, let's go even with the basic that people think about, are spirits really real? You know, just because you can't see them doesn't mean they're not there. Okay,
Right.
the first thing, our eyes, you know, we can only see a certain spectrum of colors and certain spectrum, right? So we think the rainbow has 7 colors, but the rainbow has many more colors. We can't even see that lightest magenta with our eyes because our eyes are not able to catch that. So when we talk about spirits, they are at a very high vibration that our eyes cannot catch. They are not dense. Like everything around us is dense, and that's why we can see them. But the spirits are absolutely high vibration. But as you start growing your senses, you know, that is what, by activating your, you know, your senses, you will be able to see, hear them. So they are also trying to communicate with us, and communication can happen through sounds, communication can happen through smells, communication can happen through sensations. Suddenly there's this whole rush of, you know, this, like when they communicate with me, I know the energies, you know, and I know what they're trying to say. I can hear them, I can feel them, you know. So that's the way. So everybody can perceive, but they just don't know what they are perceiving. So yes, they do communicate, and angels come and always give you guidance. You know, they always give you signs. You only should understand the signs. Like you read up, you're smart enough, you googled, and then you got your answers. That, you know,
Yes.
they are knocking at the doors so that new doors are opening up for you. And voila, they are opening up for you, and I can see a lot of changes are coming in your life.
Thank you.
It's
But I
amazing.
also have to say, Ashish, that you have been a very, very strong medium. And I'm not just saying this because it's this podcast. And that is one of the reasons, honestly, that I've even flown down because this needs to be communicated.
Absolutely.
Wherein I learned bars with you along with foundation. And I put that in my image makeover session because I said image is all about the external, right?
Correct.
What about the internal happiness of the person?
Absolutely.
So I said, let's do bars for the people. So I included
Wow.
that in my curriculum. And I am doing bars one day, and all of a sudden, so I've had a lot of experiences with bars.
Correct.
One is my watch, I was wearing a digital watch, it becomes 0000. I don't know how that happens.
It's energy.
So anyway, I thought ki battery gayi hogi. You know, your logical sense starts talking, right? Ki nahi battery gayi hogi. I said, theek hai. And this happened the day I learned bars. I did it on a friend of mine,
Yeah.
very close friend of mine, who also follows you very, very diligently.
Yeah.
Anyway, so I went back home. Middle of the night, I told my husband, I want to do bars on you because I really needed to get the answers on this. And I did bars for him. Again, my watch slows down. I was like, okay, something is happening. Next day, his monies are stuck since 4 months.
Yeah.
And the client is telling him on phone कि मैं कराता हूँ, and the monies hit the bank account.
Absolutely. It's
It's
amazing how
crazy.
bars work. And with money, though, I have seen bars working fabulously because see, what it does is basically like for those people who do not know the bars, it's from Access Consciousness, a 1-day class, and you can learn it. So there are these 32 points on the head. You just touch those points. The energy starts shifting there. So there are point of views that we have about money and about all the other things. And what bars helps you when running the bars helps you clear and dissipate those point of views. So I'm sure there must be some point of view about money that Amit probably had that was not allowing the money to come. And the moment you ran the bars, suddenly a shift and change. I have seen so many people experiencing similar things after getting the bars run. Money is one aspect, but there are multiple things that starts changing for people, whether it is health, whether it is, the way they feel, emotional patterns change after the
Yes.
bars. Yeah, so I think you've done such a good job of incorporating that in your work because, just feeling, changing somebody's external doesn't work.
Absolutely.
Internal has to change, and
Yes.
once the internal changes, the external also automatically changes, and bars definitely does a fabulous job with that.
Absolutely. But somehow Ashish does not like to take credits. So I have to give in one more story here. It was Diwali 2022. Okay. And I could not attend your live session because I was with a client.
Correct.
So next day, I was just listening to the session because you had saved it, right? And I was writing it down because you had said ki light these many diyas
Yeah.
in the, with the ghee and the mitti ke diyas and things like that. So I was noting it down. Achanak se, there's a light in front of me that starts flickering.
Okay.
I have clicked a video of that. I sent
Huh.
it to Sapna also because it was like, I need
Evidences.
some evidence. So
Yeah.
that light starts flickering. And all of a sudden, after I acknowledge, because that's what you taught us in
Correct.
the foundation as well, that's very important to acknowledge the energies around you.
Yeah.
As soon as I acknowledge it, it stops flickering.
Yeah.
And for once, it was like battery gayi hogi, but till the time I left that house, that light was as it is. So it was not the battery. It was
Amazing.
clearly the energies, and it was your energy because this happened when I was listening to your video.
Yeah.
And all of a
See,
sudden, this
you,
happens.
when you heard my video, you were aware of it. Otherwise, you would have said, battery ka issue hai. Like, you remind me of one of my incidences because today people want evidences.
Correct.
And I love evidential, when we do spirit communication also, evidential mediumship is when you actually communicate from the spirit and give that evidence that somebody cannot fabricate. How can the person
Absolutely.
know the details? How can, somebody know that she used to call this to you? That I love all of these things. And that there's enough evidences that the spirit world is there. But talking about spirit guides and angels who are always there around us, I remember I was traveling from Rome to Berlin once, okay? It was a very short flight. So I got into the flight and I was the only Indian and rest all were, the whites there. And the flight took off, and after some time, there was terrible turbulence to another level. I mean, the flight will actually go up and down. Most of the people were almost sick and throwing up. And it went on for 45 minutes. I removed my phone. I thought, let me type a last message and that, Mom, I love you. And, all of that. Because I thought I'm going to die. Trust me. And suddenly I said, you know what, angels? Just take care of us. Yeah, just take care of us and, please make sure that we land safely. Within 30 seconds, the flight which is going like this, zoop, went like this. Unbelievable.
Amazing.
Okay, one. Now, this could be a coincidence, like how normally people say.
Right.
So, I had the phone in my hand. So, when I looked outside, the clouds, right, you could see the shadow of the flight and rings of light around it.
Wow.
I had to click a video, and I have that 15 seconds video where you can clearly see how the plane was like almost taken care by the angel. It was amazing.
Amazing.
I'm like, why didn't I think about this 45 minutes before? So now whenever I travel, I sit in the flight and I say, listen, angels, make sure you take me safely to where I'm supposed to go. And I've not had difficult flights after that. It's about asking.
Amazing.
They're always around you. You have to ask them to assist you, ask them to help you. I can write a book on, the amazing stories that I have about the spirits and the angels and all of that. But since you spoke about testimonial, evidence,
Yes.
evidence is important. So maybe if I have that video, I'll definitely share it. But
I would love to
it's
see it.
it's amazing. So yeah, what else have you been up to?
Oh, my stories can go on and on. How long do we have?
We have forever.
Okay, so one more point that I want to make here. So I have done these sessions. My husband didn't, right?
Yeah.
He's just come and met you for
Yeah.
one personal session, but it rubs off. And
It
how?
does. It does.
Because he is seeing even more magic than what I am. And a few things that I would love to say because they do not sound normal.
Correct.
They are not the regular things, right? So my husband was going through a very, very bad patch in his work. Where I will not name the places because, of course, but there was this one place where there were government officials and very high level government officials who, so he does environmental work, right? And there was some problem going on and there was some bribe and things like that happening. And they were extracting a lot of money. They were not letting him go, they were not letting him stay. So he was really stuck. Ashish, I'm not joking. My father went and tried everything. His father went and tried everything. The place was so dangerous that I used to be scared. I used to feel if Amit goes there, he'll just be shot someday. And, it was not a very great feeling.
Yeah, I remember
That's
that.
when, and that was like, even he didn't know how to get out of this because
Correct.
it was a 2-3 year contract. And he came to you at that point. Okay, within 2 to 3 months, I think. So there were these 3 people who were harassing him. Within 2 to 3 months, there's an ED raid that happens on one person. That person is still behind the bars. There is the other person gets transferred to another department, and the third person leaves the city. So all the 3 people who were troubling him for a good 1.5 years, where we couldn't do anything, my husband just came for a personal session here with Ashish. I don't know what magic he did because I know that this guy does magic. Guys, that's the truth. He doesn't take credit, but he does a lot of magic. I can promise you that. So I don't know what he did. Not that I would want bad for anybody,
No,
but
yeah.
this is what happened, and all the 3 people disappeared from his life.
See, I'll tell you one thing. The spirit guides will never harm anybody, yeah? But they will take you out of a situation where people are doing wrong to you. And of course, I always believe in karma, and they will get what they're supposed to get, I mean, if you're harassing someone unnecessarily, you have to be punished for it. And I like the sadistic pleasure. When people get punished for doing wrong to other people, I enjoy that for sure. And, but again, that's also their
But that's
personal karma and
magical,
journey.
right?
Yeah.
Like, how do 3 people disappear together? So I have not completed my stories, and I want to share one more very magical experience, and I couldn't go from here without sharing that. So when my husband had come to Ashish, and he's an environmentalist by profession, but he loves music. So he's a DJ by passion. And Ashish told him, so he was very confused on how to do it, right?
Okay.
Because you have that limited time. So how much to give to your company, how much to give to your music. And of course, he has a demanding wife and a son. So he was pretty confused with that. And at that point, Ashish told him that your business will flourish. You will also get into your music. And of course, that we'll speak when we speak with him. But Ashish also mentioned that there will be another opportunity that will come your way. Just wait for the magic to happen. And that's it. On that note, we left, right? And guess what? There's this huge opportunity that comes his way, a very amazing opportunity. And the name of that plant, and that plant is going to be the biggest in India, by
Okay.
the way. It's going to start in August, September. It's going to be the biggest in India. the largest plant in India. It's a effluent treatment plant, and the name of that company is Vihan Clean and Green. Vihan is also the name of my son.
Yeah, but it's
who-
interesting how the son's name got created.
Yeah, so the son's name was kept by the father because he was born on 21st of December 2012. So that's 211212. And they said that the world is going to end on that day. But because Vihan means start of a new era, so before I woke up in the morning, my husband kept my son's name. And the biggest opportunity of his life that comes his way is named Vihan.
Amazing, right?
That is definitely not a coincidence because that is magical. And Ashish has already said it beforehand that there's going to be a great opportunity that's going to come your way. And you'll be able to manage all of it in an amazing manner. And that's exactly what he's doing.
But it's funny, like, people just shrug it off as coincidence, but I always believe there are no coincidences. And, that's how magic gets created. Super. That's such a
Absolutely.
fabulous, fabulous story. I'm so happy for him and super, super happy for you too.
So there's the secret.
No, that's the secret is, of course, the spirit world and the universe that actually works with us all the time. I always tell people, that trust that you're not alone. The universe has your back. If you're going through a difficult situation in your life, just ask your angels, ask your spirit guides to help you. And trust me, there's always a beautiful possibility that opens when you
Absolutely.
come out of it. Like when I'm talking about them, I can feel their presence so much that they are so happy that we're actually delivering their message to to the
Yes.
world. So I'm very, very glad about that. And I'm definitely looking forward to having Amit also here one day, because though he's not done a class, he just
Yes.
followed what you have done. And I
Yes.
always say, even if one person comes into the class, the family starts changing.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah.
My son keeps saying that all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. He knows the
Super.
clearing statements,
Awesome.
and it's, trust me, it's made our family life beautiful. So Ashish, when I came to you, I was anyways a happy person.
Absolutely.
But so many internal demons, your subconscious demons, there's so much, right?
Correct.
That a person
Yeah,
has
yeah.
in their life. All of that, all of a sudden, I've just started living a magical life.
Amazing,
So,
amazing. So more
thank
and more
you very
magic to
much.
you. I always keep saying, don't stop. Just keep creating more and more and more. And you flew all the way just to have this conversation, to share this with the world. So of course I have to do something, something for you in return. I always tell me, what is it that you would like to create in your life now? What's your bucket list? What is it that you would like to do?
Honestly, फिलहाल I have created so much कि अभी मैं समेटने में लगी हुई हूँ. all I want honestly is your hug, because I
Of
can't
course I
do
will give you that.
So that is something I'm gonna
Of
take and
course.
go. But Ashish, thank you very much, because you
Most-
have given me so much that, trust me, I'm sure this half an hour also does not do justice to it.
You know what? Okay, so I'm just gonna give you certain messages from the spirit right now. Yeah, I mean, that's how easily it comes to. Which month are you born?
March
You're March 3, yeah? And your birth date is?
29th.
29th. Okay. So again, I just want you to work more towards your skills that you were doing. Yeah. Just keep honing them. But your intuition, start trusting your intuition. Like, you came here, you started speaking about the spirit world, but they want to connect with you more. Yeah. So if you actually can develop that relationship, which I can definitely help you with.
Right.
So you can develop that relationship with your spirit guide. Believe me, they are like your Google map. Yeah, you won't need a Google map. You'll just connect with them and they will show you the route, and you just have to follow that. That's what I do all my life. I go by my awareness and they are guiding me all the time. I wake up in the morning and I already have what I want to do. I just quieten for 5 minutes. If I have a question that I really want to get answers to, I just quieten myself and ask, okay, guide, show me what I'm supposed to do. Boom, it comes in. The thing that has come is your third eye. I want you to start working more towards your inner consciousness, your third eye. Do you do meditations?
No. but
Okay,
I
so
wanna
I'm
start.
going to give you a guided one, which will be like a 10 minutes, a record one for you and give you. That will be
Amazing.
my gift. And just follow that. You practice that every single day. See how your communication with the spirit world is going to get more and more stronger. Now, second thing is, of course, you're a very emotional person
Yes.
also.
Yes.
Yeah. So you just need to really, really just balance that out. Okay. And like I mentioned, I love the watch that you're wearing, but I'll suggest you another one that's going to help you,
Sure.
because I do something called a wristwatch analysis. I see a watch and I can tell what's happening in it. I mean, this is amazing science, right? Like that day I was seeing someone and, her watch was, and I asked her, okay, do you have any gynecological issues? She's like, what? How do you know that? I said, your wristwatch is saying that. She said, how is that even possible? That's science, that amazing thing. So I can actually tell you what you should be wearing that will help you grow more international. I see you definitely traveling internationally, okay, because that is the thing. But, and that will be for work. Yeah, not just for this. You will definitely be going, and I'll help you with that, and there is immense growth. So this year, and then within the next 1 year, you are going to grow so immensely, okay, and you will of course come back and thank me for that. But what I would also say is keep growing in your knowledge. Yeah, keep growing in your education, whatever field that you want to keep growing. But I'm saying very, very clearly, you are going to be a very, very powerful medium for the spirit world, and you'll also be able to channel a lot of messages for other people. You'll be able to give them a lot of guidance. Do you do tarot readings or anything? You will include that very soon. I don't know when that is going to happen. Within another 3 to 6 months' time, you will start including
Wow.
that in your life, and you'll be able to guide people way, way better than what you're doing right now. So you'll incorporate that also in your life.
Amazing.
All right. So, any which ways, I think we've done quite a good information, and thank you again, Pooja, for coming here. I'm
It's
looking forward
my
also,
pleasure.
like I said, Amit coming here. When you send me the video of his, he sent me actually, where he
Yes.
was playing for more than 10,000 people in a concert. It was
So he
amazing.
was not playing in a concert.
No,
I
he,
know.
he,
I
he
know.
had gone to the mall, right?
So it was a shopping festival. It was like a flea market,
Huh.
right? So there were people who had come to shop.
Huh.
Achanak se when he starts playing, the entire crowd, like 10,000 people, are near the stage, and it becomes a concert.
But he will be going to a concert.
Wow.
No, he will be. He will be playing in a concert. Yeah, he hasn't done it yet, right?
Not yet.
He will be. Yeah, because whatever comes out of the mouth is not a mistake. It's a message. So yeah, so please send me a message when he's actually playing in a concert and say,
Yes.
Ashish, what you said has become true, and it will definitely become true. All right. So all the best to him. All the best to you. Is there any message you want to give to the audience, to my people out there?
Yes, absolutely. Please start believing in magic, because, as you said, that magic happens to those who believe in it. So please start believing in it, guys. It is not, I have had a lot of people saying that it's hallucination, it's madness. It is not. Magic is for real. That's my message to everybody.
And I always say, if you believe it, you will see it. If you don't believe in it,
Absolutely.
you will not see it. So thank you again. And I'll give you my hug. I'll close this
Yes.
session right now. So thank you, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this one. It was definitely special because Spirit World is very, very special to my heart. And yeah, if you have any questions about this, you can comment down and we can definitely talk about it more. And if you have more questions, we'll create another podcast on the same. So keep watching, keep subscribing, share it with the people around. Lots of love. See you soon. Bye.